7 divided by 7 gives us 1. And again, we have 7 divided by 7. So you might be tempted to say 1 divided by 1 equals 1. But that answer is not correct. Here's why. According to the order of operations, also called PEMDAS, you must solve mathematical expressions in correct order. PEMDAS stands for P means parentheses. Solve anything inside brackets first. E means exponents. These are powers, such as 2 squared or 3 cubed. M means multiplication. D means division. A means addition. S means subtraction. There is something very important that many people misunderstand. Multiplication does not always come before division, and addition does not always come before subtraction. Multiplication and division have the same priority, so you solve whichever comes first from left to right. The same rule applies to addition and subtraction. They also have the same priority, so you work from left to right. That means, in this problem, we must perform the first division, then the second division, and finally the last division. If you skip ahead and solve a later division first, your answer will be wrong. Let's solve it correctly. First, 7 divided by 7 equals 1. Now our expression becomes 1 divided by 7, divided by 7. Next, 1 divided by 7 can be written as the fraction 1 over 7. So now we have 1 over 7 divided by 7. To divide by a whole number, we can use the KCF rule. K means keep the first fraction. C means change the division sign into multiplication. F means flip the second number into its reciprocal. So we keep 1 over 7, change division to multiplication, and flip 7 into 1 over 7. Now we have 1 over 7 multiplied by 1 over 7. Multiply the numerators together. 1 times 1 equals 1. Multiply the denominators together. 7 times 7 equals 49. So the final answer is 1 over 49. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. I'll see you in the next video.